What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to cancel your Shopify app subscription, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to cancel your Shopify app subscription. So canceling your Shopify app subscription is a relatively straightforward process. To begin, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the apps section. Find the specific app you wish to cancel and click on it to access its settings. Look for the option to cancel the subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Remember to take note of any cancellation confirmation or receipt for your records. Before canceling your Shopify app subscription, it's important to review the terms and conditions of the app provider. Some apps may have specific cancellation policies or require a notice period before cancellation. So make sure you understand any potential fees or consequences associated with canceling your subscription. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the cancellation process, reach out to the app provider's customer support. They will be able to assist you and provide guidance on the cancellation procedure. Keep in mind that response times may vary depending on the app's provider support availability. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process of how to cancel your Shopify account subscription. So you need to navigate to the apps and basically just proceed with the canceling. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.